If you're seeing the message, this copy of Microsoft Office is not activated or product activation failed, you're not alone. This is a common issue for many Microsoft Office and Office 365 users. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through how to fix this error quickly and easily. Before we dive into any troubleshooting steps, make sure your device is connected to the internet. One of the main reasons you might see this error is if there's an issue with your product key. If you purchased Office via a key, make sure the key is valid and hasn't been used on another device. To verify your key, go to your Microsoft account and check if the product key is registered. You can also double check the Microsoft Office activation page to ensure everything matches. Now, let's use the official Microsoft tool to fix activation issues. Microsoft Office offers a tool called the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, which can automatically detect and fix activation. Visit the official Microsoft website and download the Support and Recovery Assistant. Once installed, run the tool and follow the prompts. If the previous steps didn't work, we can try repairing Microsoft Office. This will fix any corrupt files that might be causing activation problems. Now, last thing you can do is simply update your Windows. And if none of the above methods work, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Microsoft Office. And that's it. You should now have a fully activated copy of Microsoft Office.